Hi, my name is Miranda Larson, and today we are going to be making a classic chicken salad. For your ingredients, you will need 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1 stalk of celery, 1 green onion, half a cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then salt and pepper to taste. So first you'll want to chop off the end and then the tip of the celery. It's only 1 stalk. And then you'll add this directly into your bowl of chicken. Chop up your green onion. So your next step is going to be adding a half a cup of mayo. Maybe you wanted to add a little bit more protein to the salad, you could substitute a half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, or you could do sour cream as well. Then you're gonna add it to your bowl. Next, we are gonna add 1 teaspoon of your Dijon mustard. And then add that to your bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of dill. Salt and pepper to taste. And then you'll want to stir everything to combine. You can serve this with crackers. You can serve it in a lettuce wrap. You can do it with vegetable sticks. So you could do celery sticks, carrot sticks, pepper sticks, or you could put it on a croissant and have it as a sandwich that way.